Thanks, Kara, for the introduction, and thank you so much for being perfect on pronunciation, Erlangen. That was really super. Without further ado, I'd like to jump into what our company does. Method Park, if you don't know us yet, we're experts for software and systems engineering, and in that context, of course, we also see the Internet of Things as one of our areas of expertise. We've been doing connection or connected systems since our foundation in 2001, actually. In this chart, you can see the 4 areas of business that we're doing, starting with the consulting and coaching business. That's where we have consultants that do systems engineering, software engineering practices, that help with functional safety, that do CMMI appraisals or SPICE assessments, or just improvement programs for your processes, and of course a couple of other process areas like requirements management and project management as well. Of course, we do also training on those topics. Also, again, we started being a software engineering company, and over the years we acquired a lot of expertise also in systems engineering. We actually do also engineer systems. We have a software engineering group that creates softwares and systems for clients. So we're not just talking about it, we're really doing it. We have over 50 engineers in various roles: requirements engineers, project managers, system architects, test managers, that do engineering for customers and help them create products. So we do know what products mean, systems mean, and also connected products mean. And finally, the expertise that comes out of those 3 areas, consulting, engineering, and training, culminated in creation of a tool. A tool is called Stages, and it's a process management system. So it helps you with defining process, with sharing it across the organization, and with putting it to use. So this is actually the area that I'm responsible in, but I also do a lot of coaching and consulting in the other areas. So enough about Method Park. The Internet of Things is actually a hot topic. So in the Gartner Hype Cycle, it's right on the peak. Everybody talks about the Internet of Things. It's in the press. So what does it really mean? Or what are the dimensions that we're talking about here? And there's a study. It was actually from the Davos conference 2 years ago, a prediction that says, or a projection that says in 2020, there will be 50 billion network devices. And I mean, 2020 is not that far from down the road. And 50 billion is really a lot of devices. So if those devices all start talking to each other, then our products will be getting even more complex. And what the study also said is that the typical normal organization that's centered around products or modules that are integrated, but they're not totally hyper-connected to each other, that organizations that are centered around